Your toolbox is about to get a major upgrade. Today, we are showing you 20 tools from the future that you won't believe actually exist. Let's jump in. Bullet Stair Tread Tool. The Bullet Stair Tread Tool from Bullet Tools ensures fast, accurate stair tread and riser cuts by capturing the exact stair angle. With strong clamping force, clear markings, and a built-in ruler, it delivers precise fits and clean results for professional stair installations. MAESTRO 4D. The MAESTRO 4D laser level delivers full room precision with bright 360-degree green beams and all-day power. Built tough and wirelessly chargeable, it keeps professionals perfectly aligned without slowing them down. AR Blue Clean. The professional pressure washer from AR Blue Clean combines compact design with reliable power, using a quiet induction motor and brass pump. Its dual pro switch allows flexible operation for continuous use or longer pump life, making it well suited for demanding cleaning tasks. MAGICDRIVE. This is MAGICDRIVE, a pocket-sized precision driver built for power, control, and calm focus. With a CNC machined ratchet, foldable angle system, and titanium body, it delivers serious torque in a slim, everyday carry form, turning quick fixes and quiet moments into something effortlessly satisfying. Texture Pro 500. The Texture Pro 500 from Wallboard Tools delivers up to 30% more coverage with smooth, consistent texture spraying. Its trigger-controlled airflow and sealed, reversible hopper help reduce mess, speed up work, and improve overall finish quality. Motorized Hand Truck. The Motorized Hand Truck from Magliner delivers smooth electric power up to 4.3 miles per hour, making heavy loads easier to move with less effort. Its patented Quick Attach accessory system adds flexibility, allowing the truck to adapt quickly to different jobs. Moviroll Roll Pusher. The roll pushers from Moviroll enable safe, effortless handling of cylindrical loads. Powered by 24-volt or 48-volt lithium batteries, they provide cable-free mobility for paper, cardboard, and other industrial rolls. Roll Ejector Chuck. The Duplex Roll Ejector Chuck from Renova combines a torque-activated mechanical chuck with a pneumatic telescopic piston to make roll loading and unloading on roll stands safer and more efficient. It is designed to reduce handling difficulties, minimize paper waste, and paper production operations. RS Knife Sharpener. The RS Knife Sharpener from Hapstone delivers precise, consistent sharpening for a wide range of knives. A secure clamping system and magnetic 360-degree pivot provide smooth control and reliable results. HeadLOK. HeadLOK from FastenMaster is a code-compliant structural fastener with higher shear strength than 3/8" lag screws. It installs without pre-drilling, resists cam-out with spider drive, and offers lifetime corrosion resistance with a free driver bit included. Ox Pro Brick Rule. The Ox Pro Brick Rule from Ox Tools is a durable 2-in-1 folding rule and brick gauge designed for fast, accurate layout. With a stretcher bond scale up to 1,200 millimeters and support for multiple brick gauges, It helps professionals set clean, consistent datum heights on every course. "10-inch tile saw." The 10-inch tile saw packs serious cutting power into a smart, portable design. With an 1800-watt motor, laser-guided precision, and a fold-and-roll frame, it delivers fast, clean cuts on large tiles without the heavy lifting or guesswork. Rebar Bender. The Rebar Bender uses a 900-watt motor and hydraulic power to bend rebar up to 16 millimeters quickly and accurately, delivering efficient, one-button operation for demanding construction work. Compact loader. The compact loader from HeadLOK is a powerful, narrow-access machine built for loading, grading, and material handling. With crawler tracks for stability and a strong petrol engine, it delivers precise performance, even in tight or rough terrain. StarSensor Plus. The StarSensor Plus reveals what's hidden behind drywall with ease. Its multi-point scanning and wide LED display accurately detect beams, joists, and live wires, delivering safe, one-handed precision with no calibration required. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. The WOOD-PLANE from Kaindl transforms an angle grinder into a precise woodworking tool. CNC machined from solid aluminum with replaceable carbide cutters, it delivers fast, clean material removal for carving, shaping, debarking, and creative woodwork on both softwood and hardwood. Crack Detection Spray. The Crack Detection Spray is a simple, non-destructive inspection system that makes hidden surface cracks visible. Using a 3-step cleaner, penetrant, and developer process, it quickly reveals cracks and pores in metal, welds, castings, and components, with clear, reliable results visible to the naked eye. Foam Rubber Saw. The foam rubber saw is a handheld electric cutter that delivers clean, precise cuts through thick foam. With variable speed control and dual blades, it easily shapes cushions and handles tight curves with low noise and vibration. Bay 23. The Bay 23 is a compact one-hand lifting tool that delivers strong, precise control for lifting, lowering, and aligning workpieces. Designed for safe, ergonomic use, it allows millimeter-accurate adjustments while protecting both the user and sensitive surfaces. Chalk RITE. Chalk RITE from Tajima delivers clean, accurate snap lines with an extra bold braided nylon line. Its fast wind system, positive gear lock, and durable aluminum case make layout work quicker, neater, and more reliable on busy job sites. That brings us to the end of the list. These tools show just how powerful innovation has become and how easily it can fit into everyday life. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the Chop Busters for more exciting content.